May the 19th, 5 a.m. Somewhere in the southern hemisphere. Morning, everybody. Hey, Leroy. Yeah, man. How you feeling? I'm feeling pretty good today. Do you see that news article that they had in the, where'd it go? Had in the news about the screaming teacher? Kid made her look sick. She broke down and went into a tirade about how you will respect the president in this class. And he was respecting him. All he wanted to do was ask a question. A little debate, you know. Indoctrination seems to be the thing with him. Wonder who gave her a license to teach. You know what I'm saying? A lot of teachers out there. Good teachers. We don't know about the rest of them until they open their mouth and insert both feet like she did. Got a cold, Leroy? Yeah, I'm catching that one now. Hey, how about that ring of fire? Johnny Cash said he fell into it. Looks to me like he would have had to fall up to it. Just an observation. Wow, look at that. Well, how come nobody don't see these things but us, Leroy? Yeah, it can't be they ain't looking in the right part of the sky. Yeah, you'd have thought that would have been in something, you know, over there where the satellites belt or whatever they call that is. You know, like for DirecTV and stuff. But no, this is in the northern part. Yeah. Got to admit it's different. You zoom in on it a bit, Leroy? It's all zoom we got. Sure makes you wonder, don't it? Yeah, it's a lot different from what I've seen before. Just totally different. Appears, disappears, comes back with a force.